how to put a ball bearing back together. So I got my bearing balls. And this is the actual bearing. It's a pretty big one. What you want to do is you want to take all but one ball and actually put in the bearing and get them lined up in a line just like that. Now I still got one ball left, but before we insert it, we need to put the middle part in. So you get the middle part in and get your balls all lined up. So we have that. Now that'll just fall out without this last ball in. So you just want to stick it in the middle and kind of push while not allowing the other balls to fall. Nope. Those take a few times. So we got one more ball to put in. Almost got it. And then once you about get it, you want to twist the middle till it pops into place just like that. Now, that ain't gonna come off. If you do want it off, what you do is get all the balls to one side and take like a pair of pliers you gotta squeeze pretty hard. And that'll get the bearing balls out. Say you want to clean them or whatever. So, once again, to get it back together, get your balls lined up. Insert the middle piece. Get them in a straight line. Put your last ball in. I can't find a couple right now. But anyhow, that is how you put together and take apart a ball bearing. Thanks for watching. More how-to videos this channel here.